Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to publish and unpublish products from your online store. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, look for the Product tab at the bottom of the app. Click on it. You will see a list of products that you have added. The ones which are unpublished or saved as draft will have a note as shown. In order to mass publish or unpublish a product, click on Select to select multiple products. Once selected, you may choose to publish, unpublish, or even delete the selected products. There will be a pop-up to confirm your actions. If confirmed, select Confirm. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.